So, guys, don't look in the background. I have to clean up and like things are all over the place. But we are going to make, where am I looking at? We are going to make an apple, hello, Mindshifters. We're going to make an apple crumble or apple crisp or some sort of like dessert. I got these jicama. I'm going to make sure they're good. I'm going to clean them off. I'm going to peel them and I'm going to boil them. And then I'm going to dice them up. And you'll see sort of, I don't know if this is going to be like a process by process, but I'm going to make the filling, and then I'm going to make the actual apple crisp, and then I'm going to pour the topping. I'm going to make a topping, and I'm going to bake that, and we're going to have an apple crisp. So hopefully enjoy, and I still have to get better with the overhead camera and things like that. So right now I'm just using my tablet. Okay guys, I finished peeling the 2 jicama. I am going to boil it for about 10 or 15 minutes and then I am going to slice it into little cubes. I am going to make the apple filling. While it's boiling, I am actually going to make the topping for the crumble. Alright, I'm letting the jicama boil for about 10 minutes and then now I'm going to make the crumble. Alright. So my son is helping me, but I think his hand. Are your hands in the way?
No.
I feel like your hands are in the way.
See them in the
Can you move it up though?
No, they're not in the way.
Can you move it higher? That's perfect. So we're going to make the crust, the crumble. So you guys know I really enjoy this. Oopsie. I enjoy this nut flour blend. So I'm going to put 1 cup of this. I love this. 1 cup. Please stop chewing. Thank you. His girlfriend may come, so he may have to stop. I'm sorry. One day I'll get an overhead. So, 1 cup. And we want, how do I, he's really good at this phone. Sorry guys. Okay, 1 cup of the nut flour blend. We are going to do half a cup of the flaxseed meal. I'm going to get kind of creative here. You could do this. I may just put this in the actual jicama.
Oh, we gotta
I'm sorry. Thank you, son. I may actually use this for the apple pie spice in the jicama. I think for the, can you stop chewing your gum? Sorry guys, the quality, this will get better. I may put this in the jicama, but for now I'm just going to do ground nutmeg. I'm going to do a 1/8, I'm trying to get better, 1/4 or 1/8 of ground cloves, and I'm going to do 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. Or no, I think 1 teaspoon. I'll do something. Okay. Just let's get to going. And okay, there we go. That's the cinnamon. I think the nutmeg, I'm going to do a 1/2 tablespoon. And then I think the ground cloves is literally going to be 1/4 to 1/8. Okay. And I am going to do, keep that right there, son. I am going to do just keep that right there, son. Sorry, I just thought about this. Sorry about this, guys. I need to do, so for the crumble, what's kind of going to give its crumble is going to be, we want to do unmelted butter. I know for once. I may mix in some cream cheese as well. You want me to mix in some cream cheese? What do you want? Okay, I may mix in some cream cheese. I may mix it in with the jicama actually. So we want to do about 2 blobs of this. Can you stop chewing your gum? Please stop chewing. I know your girlfriend's coming and you got your butt. Stop. I know. Sorry guys, you don't know. Okay, so that, please stop moving. You got to be stable. And I want to do, and that's about it. So now I'm about to come back and I'm going to show you how to prepare the jicama, our apples, and then I will layer it with our crumb, and we will bake that for 30 minutes, 15 minutes covered and 15 minutes uncovered. All right. Okay, we forgot to add the sweetener, so I am using Swerve. I'm doing 1/4 of Swerve. So, woo! All right, there we go. That's okay. So I took the jicama out. Like I tell you guys, I am no.
It does smell like apples.
It does smell like apples. I just told him. So this is going to be our apple replacement because apples are what, guys? I was trying to tell the boy. Apples have too much sugar. And I let this boil. You all know how I do my potatoes or my root vegetables. I always have to let them boil. Some people don't. You can just, you know, put them in the skillet. I am not, I'm not this like, you know, what am I saying, Eric? You know what I mean. Okay. Won't you let your girlfriend in? Sorry, guys. He had to go see his girlfriend. Hi, Sasha. Okay. Okay. Well, so now, guys, I am slicing the jicama. And you want to slice it into dices. You can kind of do it old school, like when I make apple pie, I kind of just like similar to my potatoes. I really don't have a rhyme or reason. I made the default to that. I'm trying to be cute. Now I got my son here. But normally I just do odd shapes and sizes and stuff like that. And, oopsie, I don't want this to fall. So essentially, I'm not good with the measurements. I guess it'll be 2 cups of jicama or 4 cups. So 2 jicamas maybe is 4 cups. So what I'm going to try to do as best as I can is I'm going to try to, didn't really think this through.
Why don't you just grab it with your hands so your hands are washed?
My hands are washed.
Just use your hand.
Yeah, but I'm trying to, I'm trying to do it even so it looks nice for them.
You don't need to do it even.
Eric, you're going to go on this thing. He doesn't mean that, guys.
If you're a bad cook, you're a bad cook. Yeah.
Let's see, he's going to be eating this too. So I'm just kind of, at this point, I'm just going to try to at least get it in a pan because kind of want it to be, you see how slight diced? I kind of want it to look like that.
Yeah, it's not going to make
but
it.
this is my help is free. What can I do, guys? So you slice this and then.
Like, I'm just saying, like, because, like, the apples are usually that size when you cut them.
You want to taste one?
Sure.
Okay, he's gonna taste one. Tastes like apple?
Yeah, it does. It does. It tastes like.
Or pear.
No, it tastes like apple.
Okay, I feel like he was like, I don't know. Y'all didn't see his face. So guys, just don't do this. Be better than me. Have a bowl nearby. Stop it. I'm video. This is gonna go. Please stop. So I'm just gonna put this in the pan. Don't move it. Just show. Yeah, I'm gonna post this too. Okay, I'm gonna finish the rest of this, and then I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna add all the seasoning to my apple because
that's where it comes in. The seasoning.
Huh?
The seasoning. Yeah, the seasoning is the good part.
Yeah. So, and I'm just gonna do my apple pie spice seasoning. The difference with that apple pie spice seasoning, it has allspice and not the cloves. So some people, that cloves kind of give it, the ground cloves. I don't care at this point. I'm over it. Guys, I was trying to be cute for you guys, but I have to get one of those overhead things. Where you see
so
people, you know. No, it's not about using my hands are clean.
No, my hands. I don't feel like holding it. So
okay, yeah, it should
be.
It should be higher, and you're just, you're chewing your gum, and it's just not.
I'm chewing the jicama that you gave me.
Okay, well, the keto apple.
The keto apple.
Keto apple.
All right.
Okay, so this looks good enough.
All right, it looks like apples.
Does it taste like apples?
Yeah.
What? That when your voice goes up like that, I'm a little. I don't know.
No, it tastes delicious.
Okay, now I know he's just full of.
It does, Mom.
Okay.
It's definitely better than pears. Okay.
Okay. So I'm just pouring it all into. Don't do what I'm doing, guys. Have a bowl nearby. And
same thing,
Okay, guys. I'm about to turn down the heat. Won't he do it? I had the boy and his girl eat some of it, and they like it. You all like it?
Yeah.
Okay. I paid them to say that. No, I didn't. Okay, it smells really, really good. I'm about to put a on the top, and I'm going to let that simmer. I'm going to lower it down to low. I'm going to let that simmer for 15 minutes, and then I'm going to bake and shake. Bake and shake. Let this simmer for about 15 minutes, and then I'm going to bake. I'm going to put the crumble on top, and I'm going to bake. But I had to transfer it to a smaller pan. Oopsie, my hand's in the way. Whew. All right, guys, we are taking... I think I should have the smaller thing, don't you?
No, looks good.
But I think it should be on the smaller one. The smaller, yeah. Don't you think it should be on the smaller?
Who knows? I'm not too sure.
Okay, guys, I'm literally going to spread this as thin as possible. I think if you have a smaller, I don't even know the size of this.
It smells good. I'm not gonna lie. It smells good.
It smells good.
Special?
I wanted to put cream cheese. Anyways, I'm not gonna let it go. I'm gonna let it go. Okay, so there we go. We are spreading it. So now we're gonna make the crumble. The crumble is gonna get a little bit dirty, guys. So wash your hands. Really wash your hands because you gotta get in there and make sure you don't have any chipped nails. So I mixed this. This is a mix that we had earlier.
I have a question. Why don't you just mix it with the?
No, we don't want that because we want to crumble.
Oh, okay, that's cool.
Okay, let's crumble. Are you being steady? You're my cameraman. That's him being annoyed. You all have teenagers out there. He's a good guy. He's a good boy. Okay, please don't do that. I don't want to. My editing skills aren't really that good.
The one with the pizza, you just had the most edited video, and that's me eating pizza. It's fine.
Can you stand this and stop? Okay, so you really kind of want to get it to the point where it crumbles. Like you can kind of...
Does it feel crumbly? Is it getting
It
there?
feels like I'm playing in the mud.
You know what this kind of smells like? It smells like the crust that you have for the cheesecake.
It does.
This one. Did you have a piece of that cheesecake?
But I'm using... You know what?
I gave you one.
Oh, yeah, I did. I am using that blend though, that nut blend.
Yeah, it's a smell. It tastes. It smells. I can tell it smells like that.
I think some cream cheese would have been a good mix one day. Not saying that anything about that.
It smells good. Do you think, Sasha?
Yeah, it does kind of. All right, so now we're gonna crumble it over. Crumble it over.
Kind of looks like paste.
It does. I
Or
think,
the way you're...
You know, and I'll be honest with you guys. Maybe my measurements, I just did what I wanted to do. It maybe should have been a little bit more crumbly. Uh-oh, making a mess.
Old-fashioned. Oh.
He's mean.
There's...
He is. He's mean. It does smell like that.
It does smell good. It smells good.
Oh, okay.
Just sprinkle the rest of this.
Oh, that's true. Okay.
Yeah, because it's not... No. With your hands. With your
Hands, okay.
Like sprinkle to fill in those cracks where there's... Yeah, exactly, on the sides. And then it should... It looks good. It looks
Oh,
good.
is this Big... Hey, okay, Big Eric. Oh, I mean my son. That was my ex.
You're so weird, Mom. Why are you so
Goodness
weird?
gracious, because I felt like a bit controlling.
It's not controlling. I'm just saying...
Oh, I guess you can see the spots that I don't...
Yeah, I'm saying just fill in the spots that were not filled.
I'll try to edit this out. Not. Okay. I am just doing the rest of this. So now...
Now it looks good. Now it looks
I'm
like...
trying not to... I wash my hands, everybody, here. And, you know, we could have made some keto ice cream to really go with this. Now that I think about it.
That sounds like a good idea.
But I don't feel like it. So, that's the only thing about this keto life, guys. I mean...
It's a lot. But, yeah, you got to
Don't
realize
tell them it's a lot. Okay, it's not a lot.
Any cooking is a lot.
Yeah.
Any cooking is a lot. It doesn't matter.
Okay, so I'm just going to kind of let that be, and I'm going to put this in the oven
for 15 minutes, and then you're going to cover it, but for 15 minutes.
I'm going to cover it first for 15 minutes, and then I'm going to uncover it.
Okay,
yes.
all right, cool. See.
Okay, so we'll
right.
see how it goes. They'll give you the their opinions about it.
All right, cool.
Thank you. Record the other way, not. Did you do the face like that the whole time?
No,
I think you did because then it'll show black on both sides.
That's fine.
Do you know what I mean?
Wow, it looks really good.
Okay, so.
It smells amazing.
Ooh, if we had some ice cream.
Oh my gosh.
Like
Sasha's like salivating.
No. So what we're gonna do, guys,
Oh
this is it.
my
I have my test tasters here. We are going to just give them a little bit because if they don't like
Okay,
it,
all right, okay. Make.
just give them a little bit. So you take, guys. I was having some technical difficulties with my tablet, so I'm on my phone. I got an iPhone 6.
Is the camera looking at me?
It is looking at you.
Okay, so I think my thoughts on the ice cream.
Yes.
So the pie was good. The vegetables were sweet, or the root, or what is it called?
Jicama.
Jicama fruit was good. The root was good. It was sweet, and all the spices and everything. But the only problem was that it was dry, and that might have been because of the extra stuff that you added.
Don't tell them that.
But let's be real.
I don't know what he's
let's
talking
be real.
about.
Measurements. Measurements matter. And then two, Sasha was saying that this would go good with ice cream. Ice cream is solid enough, but also cold. So this is more of like a thing where when you go to an ice cream shop, you ask for toppings. This is like what it would be. This would be on the side or on top of ice cream. I think it would be really good with ice cream because it's dry but sweet, but you don't want to just eat this alone on the side. So I think if you made keto ice cream, which could be a new video, put that on the side of this, it would be really good. So out of 5, it's a 4.
He gives it a 4 out of 5. What do you say, Sasha? I will not turn this camera that way.
Well, I thought it was really good. The jicama was a good replacement for apples. The sweetness of it was good too, like the vanilla extract, and then the flavor of the seasoning was really good.
Okay.
It really added to it. The crumble was good too. It's like a little bit too crumbly, but it's perfect. That's what I can say.
Thank you very much. I'm going to end with this, guys. I really appreciate this. And I'm going to give this a try after dinner. I find something for dinner. And Mindshifters unite. No, that's the beginning. Mindshifters out. Bye. Bye. Son?
Bye.